Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do another look for the Violet Voss. I know I did one that had a lot of shimmer and warm tones, and then I did, it was so late at night, it was really weird. The lighting went dark so fast. Welcome to winter. So I decided just to do another look on this and do more of a cooler tones. I'm going to use a taupe, which is kind of like a gray. It's kind of like a gray taupe. And then Royal is kind of a gray, a little bit of gray. So I'm going to start with those guys. I think I'll start with Royal and Taupe, just kind of mix them a little bit. It's like the Morphe palette that gives you a couple, you know, some taupes and some warmed and some, also some cooler shades, which I really like. That's a pretty color. I really love I love that base color. Excuse me. Just gonna blend out the sides. Once again, make sure you go up further if you have hooded eyes. I'm just gonna bring it up a little further. Next I am gonna go into numero uno. Numero uno. It's just a nice, it's just a silver kind of color. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. That's pretty. I'm not a big gray person, and I think that is because I live in the Northwest and it's like gray most of the time, a lot of the time, so I'm just like, I don't want to be gray. Okay, let's do my eyebrow, top of my eyebrow. And I love that this white is a matte color. I just love, love, love that. So for eyeliner today, Laura Mercier. I love this. This is an oldie but goodie. I've been using it forever. It's a liquid. So what I do is I have a bunch of these Nordstrom's little, you know, samples, and I fill it with water. Then I put, where is my, this is like a little pen. This guy, and this is from Michael's, and I was like, I don't know how much it was, and I get it wet in my little doo-doo, and I sit and I put it in here, and it gets wet. So you keep on doing it. Don't get it too wet. I get it wet, but I don't get too wet. And I just super easy to do a wing. Sometimes paintbrushes are just really easy and to work with. Now the only trick of the trade for doing this kind of stuff is copying on the other eye. That is probably the hardest thing. The good thing about these two, doing it, see, one's uneven a little bit, is that you can use a Q-tip. So what I use a Q-tip. It's got lipstick on it. And then you sit there and you just take out what you don't want. Now, I like Q-tips that are pointed, but I can't find my pointed. And I did this one a little thicker, so I can't really do anything about it. So when you do it a little thicker, where is my, you have to go on the other side and do it a little thicker, which is such a bummer. I like this eye a little better, but okay, I think I have it evened out. It's kind of like, ooh, I hope it's evened. You like this? Okay, then I'm gonna do concealer, and I'm just gonna go in with the rest of it. I'm almost done, so I'm gonna use a brush because I can't really get in there with my finger anymore. just gonna warm up. Make sure I just get that guy. Just pat it through. A big patter. And take this guy. I'm gonna just pat it through. Okay, let's do the next one. I like to do around my nose and down here on my nose. And then shape it out. I love doing this. When you do liner like that, it's so nice. And then just go through and pat it. Okay, so when that is done, I'm gonna go through with the palette again and just kind of buff out a little bit on top of that. Make sure I got that. I'm gonna set my eyelashes. So I'm gonna do my mascara first. So one trick on the trade, after I do my mascara, I always go back through the very ends on the sides and really make sure I goop that up and I get that, because I want my eyes to come out, not to go in. So I want to really get those. Okay, after that, so when you're done, you can go through and put a little bit of warmth underneath, which I'm gonna do for you guys. I just got these little brushes, Real Techniques. Look how teeny that guy is. And it's super soft. I like how soft it is. So I'm going in with that taupe. It's just called taupe right there. It's just like a gray that I put on my eyes. Just dab it on. And I am just gonna go under a little bit. Oh my gosh, this brush, you guys, this brush is awesome. Okay, this is the cutest brush. And it fits under my eyes perfectly. Done, done, done. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my eye. I am gonna go in with just my Makeup Forever. I'm gonna finish up my face. I already have my blush. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Makeup foundation with Nars on my T-zone. And then I have on my lips, Marc Jacobs, my fave, and I kind of filled this in with this. And this is in, so this is Slow Burn. And then I put Forbidden Nude from Bare Minerals, which is my favorite. I love this. I've told you guys in the past. And I just put on top. Super pretty. Okay, let's go through and get my face done. Love this highlighter a lot. Love, love, love. Okay, that is it. I am done with my look. So it's like a silvery gray, not a warm tone eye. And I seriously, sometimes I like this better. I love this palette, you guys. This is one of my favorite palettes now. I'm like, wow, it's just great. It stayed on really well, and I don't know. I really, really enjoy the colors a lot. So thanks for taking your time and staying with me today. Just really short, quick, fun little video again on this palette. It's at Sephora. I'll link everything I use below, but it's really pretty. So take care. Don't forget, get the red button. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're new, welcome. And if you guys have been with me for a while, thank you. Thank you so much. I will see you guys soon. Bye.